Yo, what's up, guys? So it's Elijah Alexander, CEO of the Alexander brand, and as you guys see with the title, how to use roll-on body oils. Now, many of you know that one of our top-selling products are the roll-on body oils. You probably seen us post it. We post like several different of these roll-on body oils on our page. Every week or every day or so, whatever. And what we've started to realize is that a lot of our customers actually don't know how to use rolled on body oils. So with that being said, we've decided that, every week and every other day, we're going to decide to go live. We're going to start creating content for you guys, showing you guys how to properly use our products and what our products can be used for. So first things first, let me go get some oils real quick. Second. First things first. So when we get to the nitty gritty of using roll-on body oils, a lot of people think body oils is just something that people just come up with to sell, but it's actually a little bit deeper than that. So when it comes to making perfumes or anything like that, a lot of people, they tend to use the spray perfume. Now, when it comes to using spray perfumes, things like spray perfumes, they tend to run out quickly, because what people do is they'll spray. Let me show you guys. Here's what people would do. This video is also going to be like a reason why you should be using. So what people do, as you guys see, is like, with this being a liquid type perfume, a liquid perfume. So with it being a liquid perfume, it's water based, not oil based. It's water based. So with that being said, all you have to do is keep spraying. When you keep spraying, the more you keep spraying every day, because what a lot of people like do, a lot of people like to spray all over their body and things like that. Well, the problem with that is that people, they keep spraying every day, because they think that they're not getting the full experience or the full fragrance aroma that they want. So where the oils come in is that a lot of people know that oils, when you rub it on you, it tends to stay on the skin and it tends to last. So again, I'm going to show you guys. So with spray on perfume, peace family, peace. Hey guys. With the spray on perfume, what is this emoji? I don't even know what that emoji is. Oh, whoa. Okay, so with the spray on perfume, as you see, most perfumes are water based. So when you spray it, that stuff is there, and it does it absorbs into your skin, but it tends to disappear quicker because it's water based, not oil based. When the perfume or the scent is oil based, like what we sell, the roll on body oils, it tends to absorb in the skin and stay in the skin. This is what makes it last you all day versus lasting 2 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours, things like that. So again, now when it comes to using roll-on body oils, you can use them however. Traditionally, how most people have been using them for years and years and years, what they'll do is, get their little bottle or a big bottle, whatever you prefer. Dab a little on your wrist, do a dab on your neck, rub it in, and you're good to go. You're good for at least 24 hours. And with a lot of our testimonials, they last even more. So with that being said, what you want to do, what a lot of people do as well, like a lot of men who wear the oils, especially like a lot of Muslim men who wear the oils in Arabia, what they'll do is they like to grow their beards out, because the Prophet Muhammad, he grew his beard out. So what they'll do is they'll put some of their oil in their hands, and here's what they'll do: they'll put it in their beard. That way, you know, when they're around their wife, or, you know, they're doing business or whatever, that aroma sticks with them because it sticks in the hair. For people who, for a lot of African Americans, or a lot of people whose hair is like nappy or cloth-like, you can put it in your hair. Now, when you put the oils in your hair, it tends to last longer. So, with it lasting longer, hey Aisha, shout out to that's one of our brand ambassadors right there. So when you put it in your hair though, or your beard, it tends to last longer, and that scent stays versus when you would have your traditional perfume. Again, most perfumes are water-based and not oil-based. So that's why, you know, when you spray your perfume or whatever, you're spraying it again every 2 hours, because you're noticing that the scent is going away. But when you have oil, I'm going to show you guys again. When you have oil and you put it on your skin, oil tends to last in your skin. It takes a very long time to go away. In fact, when it comes to oil, in order to get the full scent or the full oil out of your skin, what you have to do is you have to go take a shower, and you got to scrub. You got to scrub, because with oils, and one thing about our oils is they also put minerals into your body. So your skin absorbs them. Most things that we put on our skin, it absorbs. You can either put healthy things on your skin and absorb, or you can put things that have chemicals in it and absorb. Now that's the difference between spray-on perfumes and roll-on perfumes. So that's pretty much the tutorial of how to use roll-on body oils. Again, we have full 1 ounce bottles, and we also have 1 1/3 ounce bottles. Again, that's not the only way you can use the roll-on body oils. In fact, tomorrow we're going to go live and actually show you guys how you guys can use roll-on body oils and a lot of our other oils inside of your aromatherapy diffusers, because you can burn these oils as well. The thing with oil is you can do several different things with oil. You can use oil to lubricate things. You can also use oil to, you know, for people who are like freaky, have sex and things like that. You can use oil to lubricate, you know, when you're having sex. For people who have a hard time, y'all know what I'm trying to say. You can also use oil for healing things, moisturizing your hair, anything. You can pretty much use it for anything. So again, if any of you guys want to check out some of our roll-on body oils, click the link in the bio right now. You don't have to like go straight to the homepage of the website. I already have the specific link to the roll-on body oils on our link in bio. So go there right now and go shop at alexanderbrand.com. If you guys like this live, go ahead and share this, comment, and shop at Alexander Brand. See you guys tomorrow.